Symptoms of a bad crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft position sensor is a component of engine control that is present in almost all current internal combustion engines. It keeps track of the crankshaft's position and rate of rotation and transmits that data to the engine management unit so that it can modify as necessary depending on the operating circumstances. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic: the symptoms of a bad crankshaft position sensor in your vehicle. So, let's get down to it. Symptoms of a bad crankshaft position sensor include 1. Engine vibration problems. An issue with the engine vibrating is an indication that your crankshaft sensor may be broken. Any such problem could be an indication of cylinder misfiring caused by a failed crankshaft position sensor. 2. Trouble starting car. If starting your car is difficult, that may be a sign that your crankshaft sensor is deteriorating. The sensor monitors the crankshaft speed and position. Your car could be tough to start if it's failing. In reality, the issue could be sporadic, which can make it even more annoying. 3. Misfiring engine. A stuttering sound or sensation in the engine could indicate that the crankshaft position sensor is failing, which could result in misfired cylinders. A cylinder will misfire if the crankshaft position sensor isn't functioning properly because it can't tell where the pistons are in the engine. 4. Uneven accelerations. Are you having trouble maintaining a steady speed due to car problems like uneven acceleration? This can be a symptom of a crankshaft failure. Your vehicle's motor control unit won't be able to adjust the fuel injection or the spark timing whenever the engine speed rises if your crankshaft sensor isn't functioning properly. 5. Sporadic stalling. Intermittent stalling is another symptom frequently connected to a crankshaft position sensor issue. The crankshaft signal may be interrupted while the engine is operating due to problems with the crankshaft position sensor or its wiring, which could lead to an engine stall. 6. Check engine light. Even while a check engine light won't always indicate that your crankshaft sensor is broken, it's still possible that this could be the case. You'll need to utilize a code scanning program to identify the reason for the check engine light because it could be one of the various issues. 7. Slippage in the fuel economy. Reduced fuel economy is one issue you'll experience if your car's crankshaft isn't functioning at its best. The fuel injectors in your car won't efficiently direct petrol to the motor, which is the cause of this. This implies that your vehicle will use more petrol than is necessary when you are moving around, resulting in lower fuel economy than usual. Before we explore further, make sure to subscribe to our student lesson channel right now. Hit that subscribe button to stay informed about essential car insights. Can you drive with a bad crankshaft position sensor? No. Driving without an operational crankshaft sensor is risky and can result in severe engine damage. If your car's crankshaft sensor fails, you should repair or replace it as soon as feasible. Driving for a long period of time with a faulty crankshaft position sensor is not advised. How much does a crankshaft position sensor replacement cost? A competent mechanic can usually diagnose a crankshaft sensor problem quickly. Usually around 1 hour. The replacement itself is simple. A crankshaft sensor replacement should cost between $200 and $400. However, if you own a premium or expensive vehicle, or if accessing the sensor is difficult, the cost can double or even double. There you have it, folks. The signs of a malfunctioning crankshaft position sensor can be subtle yet impactful. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more valuable automotive knowledge. Thanks for joining us.